Hello everyone, it's Finn again, back with a new video and welcome to my channel Deep Forex. Big thanks to all of you who purchased my copy trade software and supported me. Many of you asked for a robot that makes a continuous profit in a month. So that's why I make a good robot with low risk and a good return. I haven't released this robot yet because I am testing it to make sure it won't cause any loss for you. I will release it soon after the testing. So now, today I want to talk about a fantastic tool in forex trading, and that is moving average crossover indicator robot. And lots of successful traders use it for good trades. I made a robot that trades for you based on moving average crossover, and in this video I will show you how it works. Before we get into the EA, let's do a quick review of moving average crossover strategy. We use two moving average lines like 25 period or 10 period to spot buy and sell signal. If the shorter term of moving average goes above the longer term one, it gives a buy signal. On the other side, if the shorter term moving average crosses below the longer term, it generates a sell signal. You can tweak this signal to fit your own strategies and preferences. Now let's talk about the importance and advantages of this moving average EA. First and foremost, it lets you automate your trading. No need to spend hours of starting at your computer screen anymore. With the EA, trades are executed automatically accordingly to your preset strategies. This is especially useful if you have other works to do or if you want to engage in forex trading while concentrating on other tasks. You get the flexibility to set your own strategies in this moving average system. For example, if you can pick and decide on the method used to calculate them, like the simple method. This EA also lets you choose the take profit and stop loss, making sure your risk management matches on your trading style. And also you have total control over the lot size. Whether you like 0.01 or 0.10 or one lot, you can set it as you want. It gives you the ability to customize the trading parameters according to your specific needs. You can experiment with different strategies and back testing your strategies as you want. So now let's switch to the chart and see how this strategy works in action. So first I have to set moving average EA. As an example, I will use a 25 period shift 0 MA method to simple and apply to close. But if you want, you can change this setting. Now I will use another 10 period shift 0 MA method to simple and apply to closed, and then click OK. Please note that you can modify this parameter within the EA to suit your trading preference. Now let's navigate to the EA. Here in the EA I set MA method both simple, MA period slow 25 and MA period fast 10. Here I will configure the take profit and stop loss levels to 50 pips each. Here you can set the lot size. For this demonstration I will set it 0.02. Remember, you can modify these values to align with your risk reward preferences. Now that the parameters are set, let's observe the EA in action on a 1 minute time frame. As the candles close, the EA will open trades based on moving average crossovers. In our example, a buy order is triggered when the shorter term moving average crosses above the longer term moving average. Again, a sell order is triggered when the shorter term moving average crosses below the longer term moving average. As we can see on the chart, the moving average crosses triggers a buy order as the green line crosses above the red line. The EA executes the order instantly, and we can observe the take profit and stop loss levels. In this case, the take profit is set as 50 pips, resulting in an exit at 1.63105, while the stop loss is set at 50 pips, leading to an exit at 1.62105. By automating your trading with this moving average EA, you can efficiently save time and eliminate the need for constant monitoring. Moreover, this EA is not limited to the Euro-USD pair. You can apply it to various currency pairs to maximize its potential. I also provide you my strategy in case if you don't have a good strategy. So this moving average EA price is only $120 for lifetime license. If you are interested in purchasing this EA, please go to my website or you can contact me via WhatsApp, Skype or email. I will be replying to you. Goodbye.